Hey guys, welcome back to Living with Idiots. I've gone out and done something a bit odd. Years ago I was big into motorcycles, but when my son was born I gave him up, traded it in for a buggy. But now he's older, it's time I think to get back on them. So I went out and bought myself a new Honda VFR800. Well, it's not new, it's a 04, but it's new to me. I was looking for a little project to do over the winter months and that, so I bought this. Needs a good bit of work done to it, as you can see. Tank isn't great, the old paint job needs fixing. The fairings are faded in places. I think the last owner left it out in the sun, from what I can make out. Having examined it, I found a couple of bolts and stuff missing. The chain was covered in crud, it's still filthy there, but I cleaned it and I tightened it. And one of the first job I'm going to do is put a Scott oiler on it. You'll see here, if I go around, I've had to put that in because that bolt is missing. There's a couple of bolts missing inside. There's a couple of pieces or little clips missing from in there. As you can see, this whole panel is missing, which is a bit worrying. They're a bit faded anyway, so we'll do a job on all that. So I've a good few jobs I want to do in it. I'm going to decide whether to have the panel or the fairings resprayed or to change them all together. I want to change this is the original screen, so either I might put in a double bubble screen or a sports touring. As you can see, it has heated grips, the Oxford heated grips. This is the old one. With these, I think these are the touring handles or grips, but I'm not too sure. But I'm going to change this out. I'm going to put in the sports grips with the new system, which will be mounted here. I'm going to try and get this out without breaking it, because this is good and maybe somebody in the future will want to use it. I've ordered a ball mount for here, and I'm going to order a phone mount that I can put here, maybe one of those those wireless charging ones. The top box, I took it off to examine it, and I'll put a picture up here somewhere. You can see what I discovered. I was hoping not to have to do any jobs in that, but I will have to now. I had one of these years ago and I went moto-camping on it, but I didn't have the panniers or the top box. All I had was those Oxford fabric little ones that were there. Absolute disaster. Bloody rained all the time, and I couldn't fit half the stuff I needed in it, and some of the stuff I had was too big, so I had to have the big rolls coming out, and it was an absolute disaster. But anyway guys, stay tuned as I fumble my way through this as best I can. There's rubbish in my garden, look. You learn as I learn. So keep tuned guys, hit that notification, hit subscribe, and you can see me mess up when I'm doing work on this. Bye guys.